Most people don't have an information problem. They have a filtering problem. Every day you're told to buy a different stock, follow a different diet, wake up at 5 a.m., start a side hustle, take another supplement, listen to another expert. And somehow, the more information you consume, the harder it becomes to make simple decisions. I don't think life is supposed to work that way. The biggest improvements usually come from understanding a few basic principles really well. That's what Your Money Buddy is about, not giving you more information, helping you remove the noise. Here you'll find practical ideas about personal finance, investing, financial independence, and the habits that help you build lasting wealth. No hype, no shortcuts, just lessons that survived my own mistakes. I've chased shortcuts, taken unnecessary risks, got lucky, got humbled. Learned from both. Because over time I realized something. Complexity often sounds intelligent, but simplicity is usually what works. If you're looking for the next secret, this probably isn't your channel. If you're looking for ideas that still make sense 10 years from now, welcome to Your Money Buddy.